Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LED ceiling light lamp flush mount 6000K for Kelvin, 20-watt super bright, 2000 lumen ultra thin, 11.8 inches, waterproof indoor round light. Fixture for closets, kitchens, living rooms, stairwells, basements, bedrooms, and it comes with the Energy Class A+++. And it comes by Brainiac Company or Brainiac. The specifications are 20-watt round LED ceiling light, 2000 lumens. This is a lot. Bears waterproof. Whoa, 11.8 inches. High is 1.9 inches. 6000 Kelvin cool white ultra thin LED ceiling light. It is easy to clean and dust free, and it contains a dust free housing. The wide input voltage is AC 85 up to 240 wattage. High quality plastic materials, light cover, premium LED beads, providing the best distance from the light covers to the LED beads. Anti-glare lampshade with burst light transmission compared with other fluorescent lamps. LED ceiling lights can save 85% of electricity bills. Save your effort to replace bulbs in high ceiling. The milk white plastic housing and qualified LEDs keeps your eyes free from the harsh glare of traditional lighting. Instant on mercury free light. This is good. The appearance is elegant, neat and concise for different lighting decoration styles. The LED ceiling light uses advanced integrated SMD diode technology. The service life is over 50,000 hours. Don't worry about this LED hours. This is a lot. It will get you years for years of LED power. It mounts light with an IP20 rating. Great for kitchen, garage, stairwells, living rooms, basements, bathrooms, laundries, walk-in closet, pantries, and any other indoor locations where you want to replace the old bulky lighting fixtures with fashion and bright hallway ceiling light fixtures. And it will lights up your life. 50,000 hours lifetime, this is a lot. IP20 waterproof, this is awesome. No glare, this is super awesome. And super bright. And it saves energy for you. The LED ceiling lights have a CRI85 Plus rating. This allows the light to render more closely to the object's true and original color. Those production is more accurate and vivid lighting than others. Of course, super bright hallway lights. This built-in super bright and long lifespan SMD 2835 LED. It is diffuse well in all directions with super brightness to make sure you never stumble in the dark. Protect your lover and children from darkness and fear around the home. It is waterproof with an IP20 rating. Kitchen's light fixtures can be work quite well in your bathroom or any place with water splashing. Great for kitchens, garage, stairwells, etc. The flush mount lighting with high power LED chips saves the energy up to 80% than halogen lamps. And this means it is cheaper and it's brighter than others and older lights, of course. Modern ultra-thin design of less pressure, which makes the room looks very spacious, and modern 1.9 inches highness allows for an ideal large mount look, perfect for living rooms, bedroom, closets, etc. You have a wide beam angle, 100 degrees. It illuminates all descriptions well. High brightness level to suit your everyday lights needs. That LED ceiling lights will provide an energetic, crystal clear lighting to the living environment, suitable for the most residential and commercial illuminations. And now let's assemble it to our home. You have to look a little bit because of the electricity cables. Switch before you install the lamp. Every time the power off, then you can dock the cables into the lamp and assemble the lamp to the wall. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And I like the light what is coming out of this LED ceiling light really much. It is a nice and good device. Soon.